Hi everyone, I'm back with another one, and in this video I used the Aztec Secret Healing Clay, and I mixed it with the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and I placed it in my hair. So if you would like to see this process and the outcome, then keep on watching. Okay, so we started this video off with my mom using some warm water to wash all of the old gel out of my hair. Okay, so after my mom rinsed all of the gel out of my hair, I wrung out all of the extra water and she proceeded to apply the clay. As you can see, she applied the clay like you would apply a perm to your hair.
Let's go.
After she got the clay all the way down to my ends of my hair, she twisted my hair and put it into mini balls to help the clay saturate my hair. dryer, and I'll be using the Aussie Mega Moist Conditioner. This is what it looks like. And I'll also be using the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And I'll also be using the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. And this is what it looks like. And I'll come back and show you the results.
Diddy Beats, let's go.
I allowed the clay to completely dry in my hair, and then my mom used some warm water to wash the clay completely out of my hair. After she got all the clay out, then she started to use the deep conditioners to put the moisture back into my hair. After she applied the conditioner to my hair, she used a wide tooth comb to comb the conditioner through my hair so it can be evenly distributed.
Diddy Beats, let's go.
So she combed the conditioner all through my hair, and after she combed it through, I let it sit on my hair probably like 5 minutes, and then she wet it with some warm water. She did not wash it completely out, but she just wet it with some warm water. Then she rubbed my hair and rubbed the conditioner through my hair, and this helps to just saturate it even more before you actually wash it all out of your hair.
Diddy Beats, let's go.
Showing you the results of washing everything out of my hair, and I really do like this clay. It made my hair feel really soft and define my curls. So if you haven't tried it, you should try it, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, you guys, so that is my video on the clay and the vinegar mixed together. And like I said in the video, I really do like it. It made my hair feel really soft, and it really defined my curls. And I just put it into a puff because I will be doing another video showing you how I do my finger holes. So keep a lookout for that, and I will see you in the next one. And I wish you all peace, love, and soul.